Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ramen with soy sauce using an easy method. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 packet of instant ramen, some soy sauce, about 2 cups of water, and any optional toppings you love. This quick recipe is perfect for a satisfying meal in just a few minutes, bringing a rich, savory flavor to your bowl. Now let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Take a small pot and bring about 2 cups of water to a rolling boil. Once the water is bubbling, carefully add your instant ramen noodles. Let them cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes, or until they reach your desired tenderness. We want them just right, not too soft, for the best texture in your finished dish. This is where we infuse that fantastic soy sauce flavor. Carefully drain most of the cooking water from your pot, leaving just about 1/4 of a cup. Next, stir in the ramen seasoning packet that came with your noodles, ensuring it's fully dissolved. Then, add 1 to 2 tablespoons of soy sauce to elevate the savory notes and give your ramen an extra layer of deliciousness. Finally, it's time to enjoy your culinary creation. Carefully transfer your hot ramen into a serving bowl. This is also the perfect moment to add any optional toppings you prepared, such as a perfectly soft-boiled egg, some chopped green onions, or a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Take a moment to savor the rich aroma and then dig into your incredibly easy and flavorful soy sauce ramen. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.